SOPs are standard operating procedures which will help you streamline your operations. But is the impact limited to operations? Based on the research conducted on various geographies, the data shows that SOPs have increased revenues 5x in first year and 20x within the span of 2 years. Client satisfaction or NPS score has improvised by 50% over a period of 6 months, which has in turn increased repeat buying by 28%. A company with an average of 25 employees save approximately $20,000 a year if every employee becomes productive by an additional 15 minutes each working day. These stats show that SOPs are not only to streamline operations but also to increase revenues, increase customer satisfaction and thereby increase your profits. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal from your retail coach. We are retail and e-commerce management consultants, and today we are going to discuss why SOPs are inevitable for your e-commerce business. SOPs are helping e-commerce businesses win the competitive game. I have listed down 5 reasons which will help you understand this. At number 5, we have streamline the order management and inventory operations. With the help of SOPs and order management software, e-commerce companies are able to scale easily and handle orders at every scale without human intervention and use of Excel. It has reduced situations which lead to unhappy customers, like achieving delivery SLAs by 98%, avoiding out-of-stock situation purchases by 100%, reduced fast movers going out of stock by 74%, achieving 100% same-day deliveries on local orders, and reorder of inventory at the right time in the right quantities. At number 4, we have increased employee satisfaction and productivity. SOP manuals act like guiding managers for your employees. Employees are able to perform their work independently without intervention of seniors. Human error rates have reduced by 48%, and with regular SOP audits, they have further reduced down to 85%. In a survey of 3,000 workers, 82% told that they would consider quitting the job because of their managers. SOPs have helped maintain a healthy relationship between the managers and the reporting team, as friction due to errors in day-to-day operations is reduced by their silent manager, and that is the SOP manual. At number 3, we have invest in creativity and bigger picture. E-commerce brands have 2 sides to their business: operations and creativity. Creativity helps e-commerce brands stand out from their competition. As per a survey conducted on 1,000 CXOs, involvement in day-to-day operations or daily hassles does not let them think creatively. With the help of SOPs, e-commerce brands' top-level management were able to streamline their daily operations and increase their focus on time, creativity, and mental peace. At number 2, we have expanding to cross-border operations. With the help of SOPs, e-commerce brands were not only able to master their operations in their home countries, but also made it easy to scale up for cross-border or international sales. After adopting best fit practices, replicating and scaling becomes very easy with SOPs. It gives the snowball effect. And guess the number 1 reason why SOPs are inevitable for e-commerce businesses? The customer experience. E-commerce success revolves around customer experience. Startups who are able to master this art have proven to be successful even in a highly competitive e-commerce market ruled by major brands. According to another research by First Financial Training, 91% of the unhappy customers leave and never come back due to late deliveries, slow website, late response from customer care, inappropriate response from customer care, discount code failure, misleading product pricing, etc. Thus, customer service softwares and SOP manuals for the team interacting with customers via call, chat, email has helped reduce the customer dissatisfaction and also reduce the customer queries resolution TAT to just a few hours of raising a complaint. An angry customer, if handled appropriately on time, can be retained as a happy customer. Hope you found this video useful as well as interesting. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified each time we release a new video. Thank you for watching.